In HVAC at Southeastern, students build skills in operation, design, installation, and repair of systems, which are important to keeping us all comfortable at home and at work. Our program focuses on the basic components in both heating and cooling systems, which teaches students techniques to troubleshoot systems and to identify faulty components. Students work with air conditioning units, refrigeration equipment, and overall ventilation systems. HVAC is an important part of everyday life, and as graduates of this program, we are ready to address the heating and cooling needs of our customers. We are HVAC.